Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to set up secure folder on Vivo. If you're using a Vivo phone and now you want to set up a secure folder, so let's see how can you do this. You must have to open your files app in your phone. Just open it and here select save folder, and here you must have to draw a pattern for your save folder which you want to save it. I'm good as I have already selected this one, so just tap on it. Now you have to select something which you want to move to a save folder. As I am going to select any videos, so just select videos and then select the video which you want to move. As I have selected this one, so just tap on three dots, then tap on move to save folder and then draw your pattern, and after that the video will be moved to your save folder. So that's how you can easily set up a secure folder on your phone. If you want to open your secure folder, just tap on save folder again, then draw your pattern, and you will get your save video here. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.